Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Jasenia, and in this channel you'll find many baking and cooking recipes and I'm sure you'll enjoy. In today's occasion, I'll be showing you how to make just one single serving of Snickerdoodle cookies. You want to begin by mixing 2 tablespoons of salted butter with 2 tablespoons of sugar. Mix that really well, and you'll want to add in 1/8 of a teaspoon of baking powder into 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Combine that real well, whisk that together just like this, and go ahead and add in your butter with the sugar into the mix, and then go ahead and combine all of your ingredients. Next, go ahead and add a splash of pure vanilla extract into your cookie batter. You're almost done, but go ahead and add in 1 teaspoon of egg into your batter just like this and combine that really well. And of course, you want to get a piece of wax paper to go ahead and set your cookie batter onto. Then you want to go ahead and take your cookie batter, set onto the wax paper, and go ahead and coat with the cinnamon and sugar mix. To make this coating for this cookie, you'll want to take 1 teaspoon of sugar and mix that in with 1/8 teaspoon of cinnamon. Of course, mix together and coat this cookie. You can set them on some on the bottom as well. Once you've done so, go ahead and set in your air fryer and bake at 350 degrees for 12 to 13 minutes. If you don't have an air fryer, not a problem. You can still set it into your oven on a baking sheet once you sprayed the baking sheet. And you'll still want to bake this at 350 degrees for just about 12 to 13 minutes until fully baked. Of course, once it is ready, go ahead and let it sit out on a cooling rack if you have one, to go ahead and cool down a bit before enjoying. And this is what your cookie should look like. This Snickerdoodle cheesecake version is listed on YouTube channel. But thank you very much for watching. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to this growing YouTube family. See you in the next one. Bye, guys.